Hey guys, how are you? This is Lois. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and safe wherever you are. I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I'm based in Calgary, Alberta. And today we want to talk about 8 common reasons why your postgraduate work permit is denied or refused. My friends, this is dangerous. You don't want to come study in Canada and then apply for a postgraduate work permit and then you're denied because most likely you'll have to go home or figure out another way of staying in Canada. Okay, my friend? So, have you subscribed to our channel? Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Please turn on that notification button. And just a disclaimer, my friend, I have to do this. My videos are just for your education purposes only. As I said, I am regulated, I am licensed, so feel free, consult with me on education, immigration, refugee, anything. We do applications as well, okay? But you have to do that on our website. Please head there, www.mileleimmigrationservices.ca, and book yourself a consultation, and I'll be happy to meet you at a designated time so that we discuss your immigration plans, your immigration journey, answer your questions, and clarify those things and give you peace of mind, because I know there's a lot of information out there. Before you go spending money anyhow, money is tied to a lot of us. So before you go spending money, please book that consultation. You'll be glad that you did. Okay? 8 common reasons, 8 most common reasons why your postgraduate work permit was refused. Number 1 is you studied part-time at some point and not including the last semester, which is usually allowed. So if you studied part-time, most likely you are, except the last semester, most likely your postgraduate work permit is going to be denied. Number 2, break in studies. So this is due to failing a course or a strike or switching between programs or other extenuating personal reasons and financial reasons, and you did not inform immigration adequately. You did not disclose the gaps and the breaks in your studies. Okay? High chance it's going to be denied. Number 3, your study permit expired, and of course you're out of status. So when applying, you did not include the restoration, the $200 restoration fee, and sufficient arguments to IRCC as to why they should approve and restore your status. Okay? Number 4, you are outside of the 90-day restoration period. Okay? Because after you fall out of status, you have 90 days to restore your status. And that's why when you're applying, like the previous point we talked about above, you need to include a restoration fee. So now in the absence of that, now you are beyond the 90-day restoration period, you will be denied. And the other reason is final transcripts were not included that confirmed that your degree is conferred. Okay? The other reason is that you studied at a non-eligible postgraduate work permit school. That's why I said before you go selecting a school, not just go for a DLI, but understand, does that DLI issue programs that are going to qualify you for a postgraduate work permit? And not all programs will qualify you for that. So be warned. Okay, guys? The other reason is you did an authorized work. Okay? So previously, when they were allowing you to work 20 hours, if you worked for more than 20 hours a week during school hours, or you worked before your school started, or you worked while you are not enrolled in school, those are the things that are going to lead you to be denied a postgraduate work permit. So be very careful. You do not violate your working conditions in Canada. Right now, I know there's a temporary public policy that is allowing you to work full-time, but immediately that public policy is over, make sure that you adhere back to the 20 hours during school hours, but you can work full-time during school breaks. Last but not least is IRCC's fault, because visa officers make mistakes all the time, my friend. This happens. So if that happened, if it was denied by mistake, you need to ask for a reassessment or appeal. You may need to retain legal counsel so that you get help in the reapplication. To make sure, because it's already been denied the first time, you need to present a very strong case for it to be approved. Okay, guys, when you are getting someone to work on your application, make sure that they are regulated and they are allowed to represent you in front of the IRCC. Okay, now guys, those are the reasons as to why your postgraduate work permit would be denied. And thank you so much for watching, for liking and subscribing to our channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.